G'day all, Andy here. This is Andy Roams, and you find me in Santorini, Greece. Here we are at Pension George, where I'm staying. €70 a night, absolutely delightful place. Let's do a 5-ish minute review.
It's the 5-ish minute review. I'm Andy Rome. Oh yeah.
Yeah, so this is one I actually booked direct through the website because it did give me the best price. A lot of websites will claim to give you the best price, but not always deliver, I find. Anyway, this is Pension George. So let's come on in here and just look at the white finish. It just looks stunning. Beautiful pool. Over here is reception. They've got a little drinks fridge. They do not have a restaurant. They do have a service. You can order breakfast though. Now, Pension George is in the little town of Karterados here in Santorini. It's about a 20-25 minute walk to Fira, the main town, and it's just stunning. About 5 minutes away there is a bus stop, and you can catch a bus up and down Santorini, different buses, and it's a bit like a beautiful white rabbit warren here. Just amazing. And I think being away from the main town and the bigger towns is actually an advantage here because it's quite central and you can get there easily. The prices are much lower, not just the accommodation, but the restaurants and even the supermarket. There's a supermarket just on the main road and it was super cheap. And today's the last day, and of course this is when I discovered it. Just beautiful. Beautiful and the place. And very, very friendly as well. The receptionist's amazing, does an amazing job, and she really gets to know the people staying here. Yeah, but I guess we should check out the room. Well folks, let's do the room tour. Here we go, the room. Queen, single. We've got a concrete base, which keeps it nice and firm, which I like. And good mattresses. You've got in-house Wi-Fi, that's pretty decent. Lots of European plugs over there for your devices and a fridge. TV, obviously. Up there we have an oldish, I guess, aircon, reverse cycle aircon / heater. Haven't needed to use that. It's not that warm. Out here though, this room comes with its own personal, very large balcony. How about that? Not only does it have a balcony, it has views. Does it have views? It has views. Stunning views. Most places here in Santorini have a pool, and Pension George is no exception. I give you the pool. Probably a little cool to use the pool. Did I do that to rhyme? maybe. But you know, you could sit here and enjoy the sunset over Santorini from the balcony. How flipping awesome. And it's all colour coordinated. You got your blues and your whites. Behind the door is another door which leads to the bathroom. Here we go. It's a small bathroom, and if I had criticisms, it would be that the toilet is really, it's not a lot of room when you're sitting on the loo. Literally an inch, less than an inch between the side of the toilet and the glass barrier. The hot water is nice and hot. You can put it up there or you can hold it in your hand. And they do provide a shampoo/shower gel combination. Here in Santorini you cannot drink the water, and they recommend even boiling the water to do your teeth. But there is a kettle over there, so yeah. But I mean, it's very nicely tiled, and it's very clean. What else can I tell you? Yep. Tea and coffee provided, and a kettle to boil your water. And over here they also have a breakfast slab. You can use the QR code, take it to a website, and they will, I think, yeah, deliver to your room for breakfast in the morning. Small workstation here. Personally, I would have liked a little bit more, but I mean, we're in Santorini, so most people are not here to use their laptops. I did say most. Yeah. The room. Well, folks, some final thoughts for you on Pension George here in Santorini. I think I made it pretty clear. I'm pretty happy here, very happy here. I think it just ticks about every box except perhaps the bathroom could be just a fraction bigger. But the Wi-Fi is good, the weather is good. Gee, May is a great time to come to Santorini. It's sort of low to mid 20s, but it feels a bit warmer. The sun sort of bounces off everywhere, so it's really nice. When the breeze comes through, it's a very nice breeze. Anyway, I don't know what else I can tell you. Just thanks a lot for joining me. Don't forget to click like, comment and subscribe, because it helps the channel to grow, and I really do appreciate it. Take care wherever you are in the world, and may the journey never end.
I'm Andy Rome.